Go to Computer, open Drive, open Program Files, scroll down, open Steam. This is the default location of the Steam folder. If you have installed Steam on another location, go to that folder. Scroll down. Select Steam.dll. Right-click it. Click Copy. Now scroll up. Open steamapps folder. Open Common folder. Open Jade Empire. Right-click anywhere and paste it. If you are still having problems, make sure to select Jade Empire, right-click it, click Properties, click Compatibility, and click Run this program as administrator and click Apply. Click OK. Also, do the same thing for Jade Empire Launcher. The fail to find Steam problem of Jade Empire is usually caused by the lack of the DLL file on the game folder. However, in some cases this may also have to do with permissions. By placing the DLL in the game folder and also running the game as administrator, you have all of the needed permissions to run the game and prevent this problem. Like and subscribe to support my work, and thank you for watching.